Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. Today I just received one swag pack from Savo Labs. So let's see what's there inside this pack which I just received. So yeah, let me unbox it and let's start the unboxing of this swag pack which I just received. Alright, okay, so one more thing, just one more cut, I guess. Okay, just a minute, I guess I need something here. Okay, let me cut it. Alright, so here I think we have one more box inside this. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have one box with Savo logo and a Savo written over it. So let's unbox this as well. Oh, we have one nicely packed ribbon with ribbon and all. So okay, let's remove this plastic as well. Okay, so here we have our box finally, and there is one thank you card as well for being a part of this Savo community. And yeah, if you want to join this Savo community, I will give you the Discord link description in the description below. Do check out the link and join the Discord community. Alright, so let's see what's there inside this. And we have one mouse pad, I guess. Yeah, this is one mouse pad, one notebook, and we have one pen over here. This is okay, so this is not sliding one. Okay, and we have one flower, and we have one bottle, I guess. Yeah, one sipper with Savo written over it. And yeah, that's it, I guess. Okay, so this is what I received. Okay, now talking about how I received this swag pack. So basically I integrated the Savo authentication API. So now let me tell you, for the one who don't know what Savo API is, it is basically a passwordless authentication which provide you, you can authenticate the user without having the password. It's like passwordless authentication. So the authentication takes place using the OTP, or it can be through the email. So you will be receiving one-time password, and hence you can just authenticate the user. So this, I just integrated the password like Savo API in my project. So also I was one of the winners in the recent hackathon, that is Hack the Mountains, and what I received was, I received $100 for being the winning team. And not only this, you also get feature in Savo Labs blogs and articles, and you also get funds for 100% Play Store or App Store subscription fees, and funds for web hosting as well. So this is some of the perks which I just explained you about Savo being the part of this Savo community and taking this Savo Auth challenge. So yeah, do check out the Discord link. I have given the Discord link as well if you want to join the community. So also they have partnered with sponsored with some of the recent hackathons like Hack the Fall and Developer Days. So you can also take part in all these hackathons in order to get this amazing swags. And yeah, that's it for this video. I guess if you have any doubt regarding this, you can just reach out to me and I will be happy to help you. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.